how to add YouTube TV to another TV. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up YouTube TV on an additional television using your existing subscription. So this guide covers installation, activation, and device compatibility for iOS, Android, and smart TVs. So let's get started. So if you want to access YouTube TV on another television, the steps are actually very straightforward. The first thing you need to do is launch the App Store on your TV. The type of App Store you will see will depend on your television brand and operating system. So if you're using an Android TV, you'll find the Google Play Store. On other smart TVs like Samsung, LG, Roku, or Fire TV, they'll have their own dedicated app stores. So once you're inside the App Store, you get a search function such as YouTube TV. Simply search for YouTube TV. So here I'm going to search for YouTube TV. You're going to search just like that on your television. So once the app appears in the search results, you're going to simply click on select. But before that, you need to make sure that it is available in your region. So you're going to click the install button to download the YouTube TV app to your device. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet and wait for the installation to complete. So YouTube TV may not be available in all regions, so you get to double check that the service is supported in your country or area before proceeding. So let's head over and see which regions support YouTube TV. So you can simply search for YouTube TV regions and it will tell you whether it is supported in your region or not. So once the app is installed, open YouTube TV on your TV, sign in using your Google account, a link to your YouTube TV subscription. So remember that you need an active YouTube TV subscription to stream your content. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can head over, visit tv.youtube.com on your phone, that is over here. And then you can simply choose a plan that suits your needs. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.